Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to upload a video on YouTube using an iPhone. Alright, let's begin. To start, open the YouTube app on your iPhone. At the bottom center of the screen, tap the plus icon. This serves as the upload button. If it is your first time uploading, YouTube will ask for access to your camera and photos. Once granted, your videos will appear. Select the one you want to upload. You can trim it if needed or tap Next to proceed. Now, enter a title and description. You can also add the video to a playlist and set a location. While the mobile app has fewer customization options than a computer, it is still efficient for quick uploads. Next, choose your video's visibility, public, unlisted, or private. If you want to publish later, use the scheduling option. For this example, I will set it to private. Click Next and select your audience. Indicate whether the video is made for kids and confirm if you want to restrict it to viewers over 18. After setting these preferences, tap Upload. Your video will begin uploading, and you can monitor its progress at the top of the app. Once processing is complete, your video will be live or saved based on your settings. So that's basically how you can upload a video on YouTube using an iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.